Is this your tram? Okay, I know we don't know each other. Would you like to get a coffee sometime?
Yeah, but I'm in a relationship, so...
Then you shouldn't have a coffee with me. It's very dangerous. Oh, it's a chilly day in Budapest. But I'm a single man now, so I need to go and find a date. So what am I going to do? Cold day game. Let's do it. Hello. Are you waiting for a tram? Cool. In that case, we have 2 minutes to talk. What's your name?
Nice.
How you doing? I'm James. What's that accent? Are you French?
I wish. I'm Hungarian.
You wish. Be proud of your nation.
Should I be?
Well, what's there to be proud of? I'm serious. What is there to be proud of?
Poems.
Poems?
Language.
Language sounds like aliens talking. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yes. What else?
Nothing gastronomic. Why?
No, definitely not nothing.
No.
Gastronomic. No. But that's all of Eastern Europe. Yeah. But anyway. But what about you? What are your amazing qualities?
Sorry?
What about your amazing qualities?
That's a tough one.
Just give me one. We don't have much time. Are you a nice person?
Yeah.
Okay, but not too nice?
I can be very nice and I can be very not nice.
Very nice and very nasty.
Yeah.
Only if somebody deserves it, I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All
Where are
right.
you from?
Australia.
Nice.
Yeah. But I live here half the time.
Ah, really? What do you do?
I run an online business, so I can kind of do it from anywhere. Yeah.
Cool. What
But
is
yeah.
it about?
Life coaching. Yeah. Helping people with confidence and public speaking and getting their shit together. Yeah. What about you? Do you have your
Sounds
shit?
like I need that.
Do you have your shit together?
No, not really. No.
Are you working on it, or it's just all a mess?
I think it's like all collapsing right now, so I'm
Oh,
going
yeah.
to start working on it.
The good thing about those times is that they open many possibilities.
I just got like a motivational quote today.
From who?
From this app.
Oh, I was like, I hope that wasn't from me. Okay, what did it say?
Something like that, like
When one door
falling
closes,
apart is
everything
like-
opens.
falling apart.
Yeah, it's true. Is this your tram?
Yeah.
Okay, I know we don't know each other. Would you like to get a coffee sometime?
Yeah, but I'm in a relationship, so
Then you shouldn't have a coffee with me. It's very dangerous.
sorry. It was nice to meet you.
You too.
Have a
Take it
lovely
easy.
day.
I hope the chaos forms into something that was meant to be.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Have a
peace
lovely
out.
day.
Bye. Come with me, dance, my dear. Winter's so cold this year, and you were so warm, my wintertime love to me. Let's go find her. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. I thought you looked lovely in your all black outfit. Yeah, did you just have a hard day at work?
No, I came from a funeral, so
Oh, I'm very sorry. Okay, my condolences. Have a good day. Whoop. You saw me do that, right?
I did, but I act like I did.
Yeah, you're like, I don't want to make him feel embarrassed.
Oh, no.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for my boyfriend.
Okay, cool. What's he doing?
The toilet.
All right, cool. Have a good one.
Thank you.
See ya. Excuse me. Hi. Is that your bus?
no.
Oh, good. Well, in that case, we have time to say hello. I'm James.
Hi.
What's up? How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Did you just finish work? No, but you have like a very cute, childish bag. Is that from a long time ago?
I'm just going to the gym.
Uh-huh. I see. Excellent. Mm-hmm. And so what are you doing for work in general?
I'm a recruiter.
What kind? Is it secret, or what do you recruit?
Commercial roles.
Okay. All right. I'm not looking for any commercial roles. Yeah. Are you
It's too bad.
Well, it depends. If it pays really, really well and I don't have to work very much and I don't have to be there before 11 a.m., then maybe I'm interested.
Yeah, I'm afraid it's not that.
You don't have that kind of job? All right, fair enough. That's all right. Lucky I have my own job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here in Budapest?
I live here basically half the time. So I have an online business, but this is one of my bases. Yep, I'm from Australia originally.
Oh, it's not close.
No, it's not close at
Why
all.
did you choose Budapest?
Good question. My grandmother was Hungarian,
Oh,
and so I came here to check it out, and I liked it. And so I decided to just give it a test one summer, and I liked it. And now I'm still here. But most of the time I'm in Portugal now.
yeah, but you can work from anywhere, right?
Yes.
Basically, remotely.
Yes.
Great.
And you're thinking, if you had that luxury, you wouldn't be doing it in Hungary, would you?
I don't know, maybe I would.
Yeah.
Not all the time, but I don't know, for half a year Hungary, half a year somewhere else.
Yeah. Yeah. It's getting a bit cold now. I'll go to Australia soon. It's yeah. Australians can't handle this weather.
At
Yeah.
least we have snow here.
Yeah. Do you know how to ski?
Yeah, sure.
I only tried once and it was a disaster.
Why?
Well, because I started a bit late in life and I don't have a natural talent, so.
Without being tolerant, we just need to practice.
Right. Okay. Well, I haven't practiced because now every time it's winter I go away. Yeah. Can you do crazy tricks? You can just go down the hill.
Yeah, down the hill.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but if it's long enough, it's fine.
What do you mean long enough for what?
I mean the slope.
But long enough for what?
I mean it's not boring if the downhill is long enough. I don't know, like if
Ah,
it
okay.
takes half an hour to get to the bottom,
Yeah.
then it's nice.
Because you have time to relax and enjoy getting in the flow.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. Okay, cool. All right, what else would you like to find out about me? We have 2 minutes before your bus arrives, I think.
Do you know when my bus comes?
No, I'm just guessing. What?
It's around 2 weeks. What are you doing here?
I was just going for a walk because I've been inside all day, so I thought I'd get some air
Yeah.
before it gets dark at 4 p.m., which is ridiculous.
Yeah. Is it similar in Australia or
No,
really?
no.
Yeah. So we are unlucky.
Yeah, I mean, no, it never gets really very cold there.
No, I mean not the cold, but the dark early.
It depends on the daylight savings thing they have. I can't keep up. But yeah, but it's certainly not like a European winter for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Well, I'll let you go, but you seem very lovely. Would you like to get a mulled wine with me sometime?
No thanks, I'm not interested.
Fair enough. All right, well, you have a great day.
That's great.
See you. Excuse me. Hi. I didn't mean to startle you, but you look lovely. I thought I'd meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name? Right. Do people call you or? I'm James.
Jack.
James.
James.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know. Just so far the station from here.
It is very far away, and we have lots of cool animals and nice beaches and chill people.
I know. Crocodile.
Crocodiles we have, yes. I've never seen a crocodile in Australia actually. I've seen one in Africa, but
You've been to Africa?
yeah, to Zambia.
Wow.
Yeah, I went to a safari park place, not for hunting, just for looking.
Yeah, it's really good. I would like to go to Africa one day.
It's unbelievable, unbelievable. And
Visiting the city?
no, I live here, let's say half the time.
You work? Like,
I have an online business, so I can work wherever I want really. But this is one of my bases. I travel a lot as well. Yeah, you're definitely Hungarian. I can tell from the accent and the name.
I'm trying to get rid of my accent, but it's really hard.
You don't have the very strong one. This one, which sounds like this. Like you don't have that one. So this one is actually quite sweet and nice. It's the one that sounds too much like a robot. That's not that sexy, I'd say.
I spent my summers in the United States, so maybe there I picked up some accent, but I'm not sure.
No, you still have a Hungarian accent, but it's a good one. It's nice. Did you say you spend every summer or some summers or
Some summers.
are you on a summer camp or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Looking after kids, right?
No, I'm working in a cafeteria.
Okay. Yeah, I've heard of this. Like a lot of Eastern Europeans going for those summer jobs. Do they treat you nicely or they treat you like a slave?
Actually, nicely.
Nicely? Okay, that's
I had
good.
really
You're not.
interactions with some of the kids.
Uh-huh.
They always ask if I will return or not.
All right. And I bet they've never heard of Hungary. They don't know what that is or where that is, right? Yeah.
Not even people my age.
Right. Yeah, I went to America when I was 15 to high school, and yeah, just like an exchange program. And they asked me, the teacher asked me, how long have you been speaking English? I'm like, I'm from Australia. He's like, yeah. I'm like, you don't know okay. I've been speaking it a long time. So they didn't know. Yeah. I'm not going to follow you. I'll let you go shortly. What's the plan?
I'm going to university.
You're going to university right now?
Yeah.
Which one? I don't know that one.
It's in Austria.
What are you studying?
Now international economics.
Okay.
That's my master's.
And what does that involve? So, I mean, what is that, like understanding how the EU works with trading between countries, or what?
Yeah, but it's my first semester.
It's your what?
First semester.
Oh, so you're
So
still
I
just
have a
figuring it
lot
out.
of, like, basic, you know.
The introduction.
Yeah, accounting of this.
Are you business or mathematically minded?
I'm trying to be.
You're trying. Right. I was never very good at maths, but eventually when I started a business, I had to kind of
Yeah,
learn
same
about
for me.
and understand how tax and whatever works.
But my brain is starting to click to more mathematical.
Right. You've switched on that part of your brain.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, I'm going to head back because it's cold. It's lovely to chat to you. Would you like to get a cup of tea sometime?
Maybe?
Do you have a WhatsApp or something?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it off you. It's spelt like
Almost. Just with an A at the end. Instead of
you better finish it because my brain's frozen right now.
I understand.
Okay, and then put in your WhatsApp number. +36, right? Mm-hmm. All right, cool. Well, I'm going to be traveling for a week or so, but I'll text you when I get back.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
take it
Bye.
easy. See you.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
How about it?
So there you have a relatively unsuccessful day out in field. We've been out for about an hour and a half, and in that time I got rejected over and over again by all sorts of ladies because one just came from a funeral, they had boyfriends, one just wasn't interested at all, and so on. And this is a reality sometimes of what it's like to go in field. Now, as you can see, none of these rejections affected me particularly. They weren't brutal. In fact, many of them were actually nice moments in time. And that's something an attitude that you need to have if you're going to go and do this regularly. It's not a zero-sum game. If the girl gives me the number and loves me and has sex with me, it's a win. If she doesn't do that, then it's a loss and I'm a loser and this doesn't work or this sucks or whatever else. Just the nature of things is that people have lives, people die, they have boyfriends and so on. And so if you go and approach politely, with directness and clarity, the worst case outcomes are not very bad at all. In fact, I feel good because I had little moments shared with people on the street. And the very last one, I was like, let's do one more. Turned out to be a very lovely girl who did like me and agreed to go on a date with me. Well worth it. Better than sitting at home on the toilet swiping on apps, feeling shit about myself. This is what you need to do if you want to take your own dating destiny in your hands and not rely on a massive tech company or the winds of fate to bring a girl into your life. Go out there and do it for yourself. And if you'd like to do that, you'd like to learn from the best, that's me, then you should look into joining me for a workshop coming up in April of next year. I've got a couple of spots left on my next Budapest workshop. They're actually selling very fast, so I expect by the end of the year that will be sold out. I'll have a few more dates up for next year. I'm in the mood. I'm gonna smash it next year. So come join me and I'll teach you how to charm ladies in everyday locations. And that's about it for now. Until next time, peace.